Okay, so here one, this is Rohit Kumar, and let's start a quick solvers tutorial. So let's see how what we are going to learn in today's video. So of course we have to do it like this. If you don't know that how to come at this point, then simply close everything that you have. Now you have to come here in this home section. You will get a option for these three options. Get an option for all this thing. You will get interface something like that. But you can also start with this thing. Here is also part assembly and drawing is given, but you can start with this one, new SolidWorks document. Now you have to go to part. Simply you have to go to part, because first of all you have to create a part, then after this you can do something. Now you have to define dimension, so in which dimension you are going to work. So simply we will select mmgs, millimeter gram and second. Now here you see mmgs is selected. Now we need to select a plane. Now let's select a front plane. I think front plane is fine. Simply select a front plane, make a sketch like this, like this. Let's come here, make a line like this, one more line like this, and done. Now here we need to define the dimension. Let's make this one around 50. Okay, it's just a demonstration video. That's why I'm taking any kind of dimension. Doesn't matter. But in the real design, when you are going to make a original concept or original design, then you have to work according to what the designs are and what the designs you need. I mean, what dimensions you need, right? And let's make this one 120. Let's make this one 125. 125 is better. Now here we need to let's make this one 60 first. 60 is a better option. Here you see 60. Now we need to make a fillet here. So here you see in this option section you will get two options: sketch fillet and sketch chamfer. Simply you have to select fillet. Now the radius of the fillet, here from this point you can decide that what kind of diameter you want to give to your radius, what kind of diameter you want to give to the radius of this fillet. So simply select this point. Now here you see it's 10. Let's make this one 40. Now you see 40 is fine. Let's make this one 35. 35 is much better. Now 35 is much better. Now let's make it. Okay, simply make this one 40. Now you see it's 40. Now simply make this one okay. Now here you see. Make this one okay. Now here you see this one is done. Now we need to make something like that. Something more. Let me check. Yeah. Now what we need to do? We need to find a plane which is exactly on the top of it. Right? Why? Here you see the flight. There are two things. You can make a additional plane on its top, but here the right plane is the bottom, and this thing is exactly perpendicular, and we need to make a profile with the help of this sketch. So how? Go to right plane, go to sketch, make some sketch. Now here you see a normal two. Now we need to make something like this, right? Make another line, make a line like this, make one more line like this. Here you see one more line like this. Make this one okay. Now you have to go here. Simply come here, 3-point arc. Let's make. I think 3-point arc is fine. Simply 3-point arc. Make an arc like this, somewhere like this, and make this one like this. Now make this one tangent. Okay. Select this point and select here. Let me do one thing. Do it like this and simply connect it to this point. Make some sketch and let's make this one horizontal. Now here you see it's horizontal. Now select this point and select this point and make this one vertical. Now here you see it, this one is vertical. Okay, and here tangent is done. Now come here. Let's define the diameter of this arc. So let's make this one 50. 50 is fine. Now select this one. Make this one how much? Let's make this one 40. Uh, 40. Okay, and this one how much we need? 75. Let's make this one 70. It's 75.398 something. Let's make this one proper 75. 75 now here you see, and make this one okay. And we need to make one more fillet here. So again go to sketch fillet. Select this corner. Not 40. Let's make this one 10. Select this one. The fillet could not be added because a specific radius would be eliminated one of the element. So let's make this one 10. Let's try this thing. Here 10, 10 makes an okay. And now here you see 10. Let's make this one 25. This is what we need and make this one okay. Now makes an okay, get back. Now we need to do one more thing. We need to put this sketch on this one, right? Because we need to make this sketch as per this sketch. Here you see. So simply go to feature. Here you see in the curve option you will get a period curve. Simply sketch on sketches. First you have to select this sketch. Select this sketch. Uh, yeah, you select this sketch and select this sketch. Now here you see it get projected and makes an okay. Now here you see there's something wrong, but here, but no, it's fine. Now come here, Swift boss base, sketch profile. Simply go to circular profile and select this one. Now we need to make this profile as circular and increase the diameter 20 and make this an okay. Now here you see. Let me see. Let me check if we can put a fillet or not. Simply go to fillet. This curve. Make this one 2. Let's do it again. Come here. Select this one and select this one. And let's make this one 5. Here you see and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now it looks a little bit fine. Now what we need to do? Let's hide this thing. Hide the main sketch. Now we need to do one more thing. Right? What? Come to front plane. Here you see we need front plane. Make this one a sketch. Now come here. Make a circle like this. A little bit bigger circle. Let's make a bigger circle. Now here you see. And define the diameter of the circle. Let's make this one 50. 50 is a better option. Make this one okay. Now go to extruded boss base. We need to extrude this one. Okay. In this direction and increase the. Let's make this one 200. 200 is fine. Make this one okay. Now here you see. Again what we need to. Now you see. Now what we need to do? We need multiple copy of this thing. So how? This time we will select linear pattern, right? And we will select this path and let's make this one 4. Okay. Feature and interior faces. You have to select this one. Change the direction. Let me say check. Yeah. Here is the option through which you can select the direction and we need to give some dimension spacing. Why spacing? Here you see. This will give you idea that this will uh, give you the dimension from one center point to another center point. Center point is the exact origin point of this circle. Now I think 4 is fine. Let's make this one 50 and make this one okay. Now here you see. It get copied. Now it something looks like the exhaust pipe of a bike. Now again come here. Now make this one a sketch. Again make a circle like this. You can also convert this thing as entity. Let's convert this thing as entity. Both the things are same. Now you have to come here. You have to come here. Go to extruded boss base, and let's make this one 200, but in another direction, and make this one okay. Now here you see. Let me do one more thing. Let's select extruded boss base 200 and we also need to extrude this thing in this direction, in backward direction, not in this direction, in opposite direction. So how? Here is the option for direction 2. Okay, and not blind, actually blind, but make this one 20 and 20 looks absolutely fine. Now come here. Now what we need to do? We need to give some kind of what called fillets, right? So go to fillet option. Now here you see 5 radius is already selected. Now fillet is this dimension is the radius of the fillet. Now select this corner. Here you see, here are multiple options. We just need to make a fillet on the corner of this thing, right? We just need to make fillets here. How? Go to fillet. When you will click here, then it will automatically get generated. Now, yeah, when you will come here on second option, here you see the fillet that we are going to make impact. It will automatically get visible, and the visibility line will be pink. Here you see this pinkest line, and make this one okay. Now here you see, can you see? And make this one okay. Now we need to make one more thing here, right? What? Front plane, select front plane because front plane is in the middle of this thing, and make this one a sketch. Now come here, find make a center line. Why center line? Because we need another cylindrical part exactly in the middle of this pipe. So come here, here you see this is the middle point. Make a circle like this, and go to feature, go to extruded. But first let's define the diameter of this thing. So go to sketch, go to smart dimension. Let's define the diameter is 26. Let's make this one 30. 30 looks fine. Yeah, 30 looks fine. And go to extruded boss base. And we need to extrude this one in upward direction, not in backward direction. And how much we need to extrude? Let's see 50. Yeah, 50 is fine. Let's make this one 50. Here you see. Now, what we need to do? We need to do nothing. Yeah, come here, make a sketch, convert this as entity. This will get converted as entity. Now we need to do one more thing. What? Make one bigger circle. You can also directly offset this thing, but let's do it. It's 27. Let's make this one 30. 30 is fine. Again, come here, make a line exactly 45 degree. So how to get 45 degree? Make one more line like this. One more line like this. Angle will be how much? 45. Let's do it later. Okay, not now. Now here you see everything is done. If you want to give some fillet, then you can do it. So go to feature or go to fillet. This time we need radius 2 mm and select this corner again. The same thing here and make this on sketch. Now here you see. I think I need to extrude this thing a little bit ahead. So again go to extrude. Now come here, go to sketch, convert this as entity. No, it's not working. Select this one, make a sketch, convert this as entity. Go to feature, go to extruded boss base. Let's extrude this one a little bit. How much? Let's extrude this one around 20 mm. Yeah, 20 mm looks fine. And make this one okay. Here you see. Now what we need to do? What we need to do, the fillet is done, the fillet here also done. Let's make a fillet, one more fillet here. Again come here, this time again 5 mm radius fillet. Again select this one and make this one a sketch. Now here you see, this fillet is done. Again come here, make a sketch. One more thing like this. Define this diameter 2. Let's make this one 30 and make this one okay. Let's extrude this one too. And how much we need to extrude? 20 is fine. Later on I will tell you why it's 20. Again come here, one more circle, 20, I think 30. 30, go to extruded boss base, 20 is already given and make this one okay. Now here you see, we had extruded this thing. Now let's make a fillet here also, right? Select this one and do it like this. Now here you see, and make this one okay. Now here you see, this is exactly what we need. Now what we need to do? Let's make this one completely hollow, right? So how? Go to cell command. Let's give a thickness 2 mm. Select this one, select this one, select this one too, select this one and this one, and this time show preview. Now here you see 2 let's mention 4. If you mention 4, you see how it works. And 2 is fine. 2 is fine and make this one okay. Now this thing is completely hollow. How? Don't you believe? Come here. Here you see section view. You have to go to section view if you want to see this one is hollow or not. Simply see. This part is completely hollow. I mean this metal part, sheet metal part. Now here you see this part is completely empty from inside. Now here you see you can see it clearly and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now do what we need to do. We will make a flanges here. How? Come here, make this one a sketch. Make a convert this as entity, right? Again, come here, make a sketch like this. Uh, Normal to define diameter. Let's make this one 30. Again, come here, center line. Now, what do we need to do? Again, we need to make an angle. We need to make holes here, right? We need to make a flange here, but the hole will be at exactly 45 degree. So come here, select this one, and make this one 45. Here you see this one is 45. Again, one more. Select this one and select this one, and this will be 180. 180 because 45 plus 45 is equal to 180. Now go to smart dimension, make this one okay. Go to smart dimension, select this one, and make this one. Let's make this one 15. Not 15, let's make this one 20. And this one as 20 also. 20 also, come here. Make one more circle, make one more circle. Uh, okay, now we need to make a what called relation. Make the relation for both circle equally, or you can also do it manually. But better to do this one like this. And 6 makes 10. Let's see. Yeah, 10 looks fine. And select this one. Make a line. Start from here and touches here. Again, do the same here also. Then after this, we will make a relation also. Now here you see the tangent relation is already done. Select this circle. Select this circle. Again, come here. Select this circle. Select this circle. Now here you see relation is done. Now, select this one line, select this circle, make relation tangent. Select this one and this one, make relation tangent. Select this circle and this line, make relation tangent. And do it again here. And this one is tangent. Right? Now, one more circle. This time we will do it manually. We will not make any relation. Come here, define the diameter, make this one 5. Define the diameter of this one and also make this one 5. Okay, go to trim entities, trim this thing, trim this thing and trim this thing, trim this thing, trim this thing also. Now trim this one also, trim this one also. Now here you see. Now this drawing is complete. Now what we need to do? Come here, go to extruded boss base. We just need to extrude this one in backward direction. Let's make this one 5 and change the direction. Now here you see. And make this one okay. Now here you see. I was talking about this flange. Now here you see. This flange is ready. Again come here. Make this one a sketch. Let me check, is there any option for mirror? Yeah, There's one option. And what is this? Making plane. But first we need to find the length of this pipe. So how to get the length? Here you see, you have to go to evaluate and you have to go to measure and select this point and select this point. Now here you see, this one is 200 mm. It means the length of this pipe is 20 centimeter. Okay, so come here, go to feature, go to reference geometry, make a plane. You have to select this face, or you can also select this face. 10 mm. Let's make backward direction 100 mm. 120. Is this 120? Now let me check once again. I need to check it once again. Select this one and select this one. Diameter. Here you see the center distance. Here is the center distance. And 235 mm. We need to make half of 235. So what is the half of 235? Here you see, this is the length. The diameter is 20 mm. Center, here you see. The details are here and the center distance. Here the center distance. Okay. So project on. Let me see. Nothing. Let me check it again. Is 235. So we need to make half of 235. So what is the half of 235? Let me check. 235 divided by 2 is equal to 162.5. You have to do it, make a plane at distance of 162.5 from this point. Okay. So go to feature option, go to plane, select this and flip offset because in this direction, and the dimension here we need to give how what 162.5. Okay, here you see, let me check, it's 162.5. What wrong? Let's do it manually, just leave it. Let's do it manually. Come here, make a sketch, select this one and convert this as entity. Now here you see, yeah, this is the best option. Now here you see, now I got it. This is the easiest option. Now here you see, it get converted as entity. Now go normal to, again come here, with the help of this center point make a circle like this. Again with the help of this center point make a circle like this, and with the help of this point center point make a circle like this. And how much we need to extrude? Go to here, go to features, and we need to extrude this thing in backward direction this time. So simply come here, make the change the direction. Here you see, let me do it like this. Here you see, and make this one okay. Now here you see, now what we need to do, we need to make one more flange here, right? So this time come here, make this sketch on this plane. This time make a, find a center point, make one more sketch like this, one sketch like this. You can also convert this thing as entity. Define the diameter of the outer circle because the diameter of the inner circle is already defined. Make this one 50. 50. This time we will extrude this one in upward direction with a dimension of 10 mm, right? Normal to, come here, one more circle we need to make, come here, center line. We this time we will use copy command, mirror command. Okay, mirror entities command. Now come here, do it like this. Now it will work because we are making this one at 90 degree, not at 45 degree, right? So go to smart dimensions, let this one, this point, define dimension, make this one 40. 40 is fine. The diameter of this one, let's make this one how much? 15. Is 15 fine? No, 15 is not fine. Let's make this one 10. 10 is much better. And the diameter of this one, also let this one as 40. No need to make this one a little bit more bigger and make this one 35. Okay, I think 35 is fine. No, not. Yeah, 35 is fine. And make this one 15. Okay. 15 is fine. Why? Because we will make a hole of radius 10. Simply make a one more circle. Better to make a circle rather than making a hole. And define the diameter of this one and make this one 10. Right? Go to line. One line start from here and it ends here. Again the same thing here. You can also make a you can also use mirror entity. Simply come here, select this one like this. Now select this line, select this circle and make relation tangent. Again do the same here, select this line, select this circle and make this one tangent. Okay, this time go to mirror entity, select this line and mirror about here. You see it get mirrored. Make this one okay. Now come here. What do you need to do? Simply come here, mirror entities. Select this time. You will select everything here and mirror about here. You see you already had made a center line or construction line. Make this one like this. Now here you see it get mirrored. Now go to trim entities. You have to trim everything. Otherwise you have to do it one by one. Now you see trim this thing. Now you see it get mirrored. Make this one okay. Go to feature. Go to extruded boss base. This time we need to extrude this one in upward direction. But how much? 10. 10 looks a little bit bigger. Let's make this one 7. 7 is fine. And make this one okay. Now here you see. Now, now this is our final part. You can also make flanges here, but no need to make flanges because this is for connecting pipes. And there are multiple ways to improve this thing, but this one is enough for today's video. So in today's video we learned a very important thing and a very complicated thing. This one is the advanced level tutorial for advanced level students. This is the exhaust pipe connector for automobile part which is used in automobile industries, right? And this kind of parts is also used in many boilers. And why four pipes? Because it helps to reduce heat, because it's a simple thing that if the pressure will make impact on a single pipe, then the temperature will increase, and if the pressure will get separated in four different pipe for a single inlet, the temperature will also get decreased because the temperature will get separated equally on this pipes, and the dimension the design of this part is approximate exactly same and equal to each other. That's why. So this is a very important SolidWorks tutorial and also very enjoyable. I enjoyed it too much. So I hope that you liked the video. So please go and subscribe the channel, share with a friend, and also click on the bell notification icon so you will get notified every time when I upload a new video. Now this time let's give some material. This is the metal part. So come here, brass, because brass is a good conductor of heat, bad conductor of heat, right? Simply select polished brass. You can also give any kind of material you want as per requirement, but here we are using brass because brass looks very fantastic. You can also make this in steel or iron. Here you see the option for iron is given. The option for iron is given, but better to use brass, or you can also use copper. Here you see copper is also given. Let's make this one iron. Okay, now let's change the color because this one looks so dark. So come here from this option. Let me show you from this option, edit appearance. Come here, change the color, or you can change it from here. Here you see this one looks fine, and make this one okay. Now here you see this is our final part. So I hope that you like the video. So practice, enjoy, watch it carefully, use the techniques in your drawings, and keep practicing. Bye bye. Good night.